Document an adverse reaction. In this lesson, we will learn how to add a vaccine adverse reaction. Logged in as Sawyer Short, a nurse at the practice. You received a message from Leo Fox's mother that he had developed a fever after receiving the flu vaccine. We want to document the adverse reaction to the flu vaccine in Leo's immunization record. From the Complete tab of a child's immunization record, you have the ability to add vaccine adverse reactions. Once a vaccine has been entered, either by administration, by the practice, or from historic records, you may edit to include this information. We will start at the patient chart by clicking the Clinical tab. Then we will select the patient chart. The patient chart opens. We will search for Leo Fox. We'll click Immunizations. Then select the Complete List tab. We'll click the vaccine for the flu to add the adverse reaction. Then we'll click the Edit button. The Edit Vaccine window opens. On the right side of the window, we can add the information for the adverse reaction. First, we'll add the event date by clicking in the drop-down and selecting the date. Next, we could enter the VAERS injury type if necessary. This field is optional. Finally, we can type the adverse reaction for the vaccine in the adverse event notes. This is a required field. If the field is left blank, the immunization registry will return an error and the information will have to be entered and the vaccine resent. We'll type fever times 2 days. When finished, we'll click Save. When a vaccine has an adverse event entered, the vaccine will be highlighted in yellow on the complete list. A warning will also display when selecting to complete a task for a vaccine that has a documented adverse event. You can repeat this process for each adverse reaction that the patient experienced. That is how to document an adverse reaction.